If you want to clear browsing data on a Realme Note 70T, then first of all we need to open our browser. And first I'm going to use the Chrome browser in this example. So let's go ahead and open it. Now here in the top right corner you should be able to find these three dots, and there we have the delete browsing data option. So you can go over here, let's select it, you can choose the time range. Over here we have the summary of everything that will be removed, or you can go to more options and select by yourself what should be deleted. Here is the time range, of course, and then once you are ready, press the delete data. If you use this internet browser instead, then let me show you what you need to do in order to find a similar option. So in this case, we're gonna go to menu. Let's go to menu over here, and you should be able to find clear history option. So you can just press clean up over here in order to immediately clear it. And that's pretty much it. You can also try to find a similar option in settings. However, I'm not sure if it's gonna be here. Yeah, there it is, clear data. So here you have more options that you can decide what should happen when you want to clear data, what kind of data should be removed. And that's pretty much it. Other browsers may have a pretty similar way of clearing data. Most of the time you just need to go to some sort of settings of the browser, inside the browser, of course, inside the app, and then look for clearing data option.